This is my prep for my egusi soup. So I'm gonna be making this egusi soup. Watch out how I'm gonna make all these ingredients egusi soup. Thanks for watching, and this is Joy Cooking Show. And try and subscribe to this channel, and God bless you as you do. This is the dry fish, so watch out how I'm gonna wash this dry fish before I use it to cook. So I have to remove all the bones, and then we start the cooking. So it's time now to add the meat in the pot to start boiling. This is the meat is already roasted in the oven, so I just need to make it with stock, add water and seasoning. So we just have to bring out the stock from the bone. First thing we're going to add now is the seasoning and a little bit of salt. Then we just have to cover it up and let it cook for now. Thanks. So this is the time to take off the meat from the fire and start frying the egusi. These are all the meat. It's already cooked, very well cooked now. I bring out the stock from it. I just need the stock to cook this egusi. So watch out how I am preparing it now. So this is the egusi. I have to blend it now. So it's time to blend the egusi. So this is all the egusi and the ingredients: pepper, onions, crayfish, and the egusi seed. So it's time to blend them together. This is the pot. I have to add oil for the egusi. Add oil. I'm gonna let the oil boil before we start adding the. I just have to add the egusi to this oil. Just have to add the. Just have to add the egusi and just mix. So this is the egusi now. I just have to see, yeah, is it's frying very well. So we start to add everything. This is called iru. Iru. I have to put this iru to eat to give it a salty taste. And we need to put our seasoning. This is the seasoning we need to put, and a little bit of salt. Then we have to mix everything together. Don't over mix, just a little bit. Then now we need to add this fish, all the fish that I debone. Add them. Just let it all sit here. Now we have to put all the meat back to the soup. Add all the meat. Just add the meat. If you have any other protein you want to add more, you can add. So this is the meat. It's goat's meat. I roasted it in the oven Then before I use it to do stock again, I can use the stock to cook this egusi. So now this is it. Just need to turn it little by little, don't overturn. Now we just have to add some of this stock to it and let it cook. This stock, you need to let it go down so everything can soak well before we add the bitter leaf. This is time to add bitter leaf to it. It's cooking very well. We just need to add bitter leaf. This is bitter leaf. Just need to add some of it to it. So leave it for now for at least about 2 minutes more, then we'll turn it. This is the egusi, cooking so fast. So now we're mixing it all together. Yes. Yes. This is delicious egusi. When you eat this, you know, yes, this is it. The egusi is cooked now. It's time to serve this egusi with added yam or eba, yam, rice, anything you like eating your egusi with, you can serve it with it. So let me serve this food up now. And thanks for viewing, and please subscribe to my channel, Joy Cooking Show. Thanks for now, and watch out how I am going to be serving myself this delicious egusi. So this is the egusi. Thanks for now for viewing, and God bless you. And please subscribe, Joy Cooking Show. Bye.